Start by heading to shopdirtymerch.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click Register to start selling and set up your own Shop Dirty Merch store. You'll notice assistance bubbles on the right-hand side where you can receive additional assistance at any time. Input your first and last name, a valid email, a valid date of birth, and click Continue. Input your country and state and click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to input a referral code, if you have one. If you don't, you're welcome to use mine, Vinny's Secret, that I use here. Input a secure password and input it one more time to confirm it's correct and click Create Account. Next, you'll be prompted to input your store name and a store URL. Your store name can be changed. Your store URL cannot. Here I enter VinnyVX as my store name and VinnyVX Sample Store as my URL, so this store won't be used professionally for any sales. Check availability and you may choose to input your social links now or later on. Finally, click Take Me to My Store. You'll be directed to the main page within your store, the dashboard. Here you can view your most important info, your sales, payouts, orders that are ready to ship, referrals that you've made, and more. Right below the dashboard tab is Your Profile. Here you can upload your profile picture and banner, social links, personal address to calculate shipping fees. All info will always be private. Below your profile tab is the Products tab, where you will control all of the products that are within your Shop Dirty Merch store. You can add products, see what's active, awaiting approval, not approved, and what's sold. Below Products is your Order Management tab. You're able to see what's ready to ship, what's already shipped, if you're able to cash out, and when you've already cashed out, as well as any refunds. Lastly, in the Wish List tab is where a fan can make custom requests. You'll be able to see the requests, accept or deny, and see what and when it sells. When we head to the dashboard and we view our store, you can see no items are listed and the profile is blank, only showing viewers the wish list option. Additionally, you're able to view your referral code if you'd like to start building up your own personal referrals. Go ahead and get your basic fields updated, such as your social links that appear next to your store, upload your profile photo, your banner image, and make sure to click Save at the end of every edit. Next, go ahead and input the creator address in the details for shipping rates to be calculated when a fan makes a purchase. So that way, accurate fees will be charged. Click Save once your information is correct and up to date. Lastly, you'll need to verify your identity to ensure you're legally allowed to conduct adult sales on shopdirtymerch.com. Input your phone number, upload your current valid photo ID, front, back, and a selfie holding your photo ID, and click Save. Confirm your legal first name, last name, date of birth are all correct, and click Save. Confirm your street address, city, state, zip code is all correct, and click Save. Lastly, input your social, banking information, and submit verification. Once your account is approved, start selling.
24 hours later.
Now that our store is approved, we can officially start selling. Navigate to the Products tab and click Add Product. Make sure your product name clearly identifies what it is you're selling. Here, I'm going to label this product Pink Lace Panties, as well as important information regarding your product within the description section. Additionally, list your product's price, quantity, and product type. After you input all of your product information, add images of your product and click Add Product. Once you add a product to your store, it will then be awaiting approval from Shop Dirty Merch.
A few moments later.
Here we can see our product has not been approved. When a product is not approved, you must go make the correction necessary to the listing to resubmit your product for approval. I'm going to correct this listing description and then click Save Product. The product is now once again awaiting approval.
A few moments later.
Our product is now approved and active. You can now head to your dashboard and click on your store link to see your active store with an active product within it.